Alright, we're back with the boat build. Today's project is the back transom here. I gotta take all these rusty ass bolts out. Hopefully they'll come out. Be a heck of a time because they're like this and the wood's rotted out, so it's just gonna be spinning in there. But thankfully they're flathead, so hopefully I can hold on to it the best I could. But we're gonna get a time lapse going, getting that off and trace it out and cut it. Got the rotted piece of wood off. This last bolt was a pain because the little flathead part started to go. Couldn't grab it anymore, so I grabbed the pliers. Now we're gonna go trace this up and cut it, bring it back here to mark the holes, cut the holes and bolt it on. Transom cut and painted, holes drilled out, waiting for the paint to dry. And while I'm waiting for the paint to dry, gonna clean that up, make her all pretty. Got all the bolts pounded in there, and of course one of the bolts did not match any of these bolts. Someone threw the wrong bolt in the bin. So now get time lapse going again, bolting her up. Alrighty, I skipped most of the boring part because I had to remake the transom because I drilled the holes wrong. So now I got the holes drilled right, bolts in there, got to put the washers and nuts on. So now we'll time lapse that, and of course I got to take it back off and paint it again. But I might not paint it, but painting it is probably the better idea for it rotting. My dilemma now, I'm just gonna bolt these up for now, and the bottom bolts had like rubber rings on them. This one still has it, but it's a little chewed up. But I need another rubber ring for this one so it don't leak. So I gotta get rubber rings and probably get some like flex paint, flex seal, or waterproofing paint. So that's gonna stay plain for now. Bolt that up and vacuum that out, and we'll be done for today. clean, all bolted up. Just need to, like I mentioned, just need to get some waterproofing paint, rubber rings, and then I'll unbolt it again. But she's pretty much done for now. Last clip of the night. One thing I gotta do is just trim these bolts down because the door hits it. I could just shave right there with the drill, but it'd be better just to cut those. Won't be banging her hand on it, but that's it for tonight. We'll catch you tomorrow with probably painting that and re-putting that back on.